Hey, and welcome back. So I walk in today and it was like Christmas. I had boxes on the chair. So these two I knew were plants. I went ahead and opened them up, let them kind of air out. And then this one here was from Amazon, and I was unpacking and I got ready to unpack the orchids, and I said, let me film it so I can show you guys, because I know in one of these two boxes, I can't remember which one I ordered it from, is one of my wish list orchids. So let me get you on le tripod and then we will get started. Okay, first I want to show you these bowls that I got from Amazon. So they're self-watering bowls, because as I've said before, I need to repot my Phalaenopsis goldstaff, and I did not realize, I think I ordered the wrong size, but at the same time I think this might actually work. So these are usually for house plants, but it's a self-watering, because I am going to put her back in LECA. Nice big water reservoir, and the wicking that comes with it is nice and long. Like, it will definitely reach to the bottom and then all the way up to the top. So I'll try to put her in there. I haven't quite fully decided or not. I have another set of pots coming, but that's neither here nor there. Let's go to the plants. That's what we all are here for. Boom. So this is from Big Leaf Orchids, and I did use this box, I think, to put like all of the little, what are those little styrofoam things? Oh, one of my orchids fell out. Oh no, oh no. So this is a phal. Look at those big, beautiful leaves. Oh, and she has nice roots coming. Look at this. And they do come in these nursery pots. And what I like about Big Leaf is they generally don't send the orchids soaked. So this one is a little damp, but she's pretty dry this way, and she was in transport. She was supposed to be delivered yesterday. Today is Wednesday. I'm going to apologize one time if you guys hear outside noise. I have my windows open. It is a beautiful day here in Colorado. It's actually very springy. Got up to 83 degrees. It's currently in the mid-70s. I'm loving it. And she has a new leaf coming in. Well, that's nice, Trish. What orchid is this? Thought you would never ask. So let's pull her out and see. Okay. So I'm going to have to really find a space for this one, because she's going to, and one day, eventually one day, be a big girl. This is the Phalaenopsis gigantea. And she's the Phalaenopsis gigantea yin number 2 crossed with Phalaenopsis gigantea yin's the best. Move that over there. And I will just show you guys the tag. Hopefully that's in focus for you. But she's going to be a big girl, because from what I've seen of the giganteas, they can get to be some pretty big orchids. But you know what? Y'all know how I feel about my big leafed ladies. And I love this lime color. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for her. And since I'm doing this very impromptu, I have to just start placing these in odd places. But the gigantea is one that was on my wish list. So it was from the Big Leaf Orchid is where I purchased my wish list. And then this one is another wish list orchid. And this is one of those phals that should be in everybody's collection. I have seen this phal in person. I have smelt this phal in person. She is a novelty type phal. Now, like I said, impromptu. I didn't even keep the box cutter out, so we're just going to kind of roll with it. I appreciate y'all's patience with me. Had a great day at work. It was very productive. All of my files that I've been working on, patient files, are all done except for one. I'm waiting on the patient to call me back. But so I ended the work day. I felt rather productive, and I'm pretty sure this one has a spike just because of this. Oh, and look, we see the spike. Do you see it right there? So we need to be extra careful here. And put that there. All right, I'm going to take her off camera to unwrap her. Look at the beautiful, I call this the green apples. Look at those leaves. Where are you going to put these orchids, Trish? Oh no, have no idea. but I'm gonna find a spot. You guys already know I'm gonna find a spot. But she also has a new leaf coming here, and she has new roots coming in here. Now she does have, like I said, this beautiful spike right here that has not quite bloomed, but it does look like it might be working on a bloom or extending. The material that she's in looks pretty decent, so what I might do is just take her out of this and just don't loosen anything, just take this moss, put a little bit of more moss with maybe some perlite and small bark in it, plop her into another pot until maybe next year, because, oh yeah, this is fresh. Look at this. Well, yay, Trish, what is it? Thought you would never ask. So, dream orchid number 2 is, let me just put her up there, the Sweet Memory. Oh my goodness, guys. I have been looking for one of these, and when I saw the ones at Big Leaf Orchids, and they have some gorgeous phals. They have other orchids too, I believe, but I just always go and look at their phals. Oh, I couldn't pass this up. Look at the size of this. She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mature leaves that are all nice and huge with this nice new growth on it. Lovely new root growth. Active roots inside of the media as well. And a spike. Huh. One cannot go wrong with that. One cannot go wrong. So what I'm going to do with these girls is this one, I'm going to set her back in the box since they're just in the little plastic nursery pots. I don't want to mess that up, and especially not break that spike. So second box here is from Orchids by the Lake, which is Yoshi. He has a channel, but he has his online store, and this was actually tucked very tightly into here. Also delivers very well packaged. He's actually been holding this order for me for some time, and I realized I opened this upside down, so again, we're just gonna roll with it. So I'll lay it down and slide them out. So let's see, what do we have here? Okay, so this is gonna be a Tolumnia. We're gonna look at her, and then I will tell you guys the name. So, here we go. Wrapped in newspaper, very nice. And then it's got the shredded newspaper on top of it. Let's do it very gently. Yoshi! Oh my goodness. What? Oh, I was not, guys, I was not expecting a Tolumnia with spikes. Oh, she is so gorgeous and delicate and beautiful. And I just, oh my goodness. Hold on. Oh, I don't know if I'll take pictures as well, because I know I have a lot going on in the background. Look at those blooms. Oh my goodness, she is. I love all the spotting. Oh, just lovely. All right, so this is the Tolumnia Duroc Firm Spotty. Very fitting name. Look, here we go. Very fitting name. Look at all the spots on this lady. Look at this. And like I said, I'll do some photo close-ups, but look at that. Oh, Yoshi, thank you. Let's see. Take the tape off so we can kind of look at the plant itself. Looks like she's in some leca beads. And, uh-oh, we have a root stuck on the tape. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Gently. Oh, I just cannot get over these blooms. Like I said, was not expecting an orchid with blooms. All right, there we go. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Careful, careful, careful. All right. So, yeah. So, it looks like she is sitting in leca. So, I will probably stake her just to kind of keep her from falling over for right now. But look at her. And look, she's got roots coming out of the pot. There's lots of lovely roots in the pot. She's working on this new growth right here. So this is her latest fan. And the blooms, let's see. I think, let me see. I'm trying to say, well, you know what? We'll talk about her another time. I don't want to keep messing with her because, like I said, I don't want to break anything. So I'm set her in the pot there. All right, let's see what we have in here. All right, And here is, now I remember what I ordered now. All right. Again, Yoshi packs very well. And guys, if you ever order something that is out of season or it's a little cool in your area or whatever, he does hold them. But this is, as you can tell, a twinkle. And again, another bloom. Looks like she had another spike here that it has already dried out, and that is perfectly fine. I don't care. Let's take the tape off so we can get a good look at Miss Lady here. Take the paper towel wrap. That is just lovely. Okay. All right. And she looks like she is in all bark. And look at this twinkle. So this is an Oncidium twinkle. And for those of you who grow them, you know they grow very compact, but this one looks like it has lots and lots of new lots and lots of new growth. I apologize. I can't use words today. I've been talking to patients all day. But look at the pretty, they're starting to go over, but look at those beautiful yellow blooms. Oh, and that gorgeous up against that green. Look at that. And that rich green, I love that. It looks like grass, doesn't it? Looks like fresh spring grass, just in time for spring. So this one is the Oncidium Twinkle Oro. I don't know if that is in focus or not, but that was with this one. So our Oro. Let's see, put that right there. As you can see, I'm still in my uniform. And this one, so this is one of those that, again, it's not necessarily a wish list. It's more of a want. Like if I come across it, I'd like to have it twinkle. So let's open her up and then I will tell you what she is. Leave in your comments down below if you have a wish list plant that you are planning to get this season. And how long have you been waiting to get it? Let's do that. Alrighty, so this is a twinkle seedling actually. And if I can get the tape off, there we go. There we go. Here we are. Almost dropped it. Y'all didn't see that. All right, so she's in seedling bark, but look at that one. Again, looks like some nice spring grass. Isn't she just gorgeous? She has a few, new growth right here and right here. So it looks like two new growths right here coming. And this is the Oncidium Twinkle Pink Profusion. The word pink alone means I have to have it, guys. You guys know that I like my pinks. Alrighty, and is that it? I believe that was it. Just make sure. Yep. I don't know how well I can get them all into shot for you, but I will put these two. So there is the Girac Spotted. Isn't that just, oh, you know what? Hold on, guys. Let's see if we do this and we can get the, look at all the spots on there. I mean, she was perfectly named Spot E. S-P-O-T-T-Y. Just gorgeous. With the Twinkle Pink Profusion. And then we've got the Oncidium Twinkle Oro with her beautiful yellow blooms. We've got the Gigantea Phalaenopsis with her new growth of leaves and roots. And then, of course, Miss Sweet Memory here. Look at that. Look at the leaves on that. Okay, granted I have small hands, but look at this. Look at the size of this one. Look at that. I cannot wait to see the blooms on this. I'm going to do everything I can to protect this spike, and hopefully in a few months, in a few months we can get some bloomies. All right, guys, I do appreciate you swinging by and seeing my new goodies. Again, let me know what your wish list plants are for this season and how long have you been waiting for them, or even a want list. Like I said with the Pink Profusion, it wasn't necessarily a wish list, it was a want. I wanted it. And you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.